Chapter 4. The Resengo Calendar. Going beyond days and dates. You are never more than a click away from your Resengo calendar. In the calendar are all your upcoming services, their status for online reservation, and how many guests have already booked. You can even sort by type of service, the information you need when you need it. Clicking on a service opens a reservation window where you can manually enter a reservation. You are never more than 2 clicks away from a reservation form. Click on the right in a service, on the 3 dots or the number of reservations, you'll get options to edit the service. When full, you can close this service for new reservations. Just click the green dot. It becomes red. You can also add internal messages, see the table plan and reservation list for this service, and change the time slots or maximum number of guests. Our favorite part of the calendar? You can set a reservation target. As the number of reservations increases, the icon will turn greener and greener. This allows you to keep track of your capacity, and it's really satisfying. It's now clear why your Resengo calendar is the perfect tool to keep an organized and well-planned overview of your business. Next up, we'll show you how to set your typical opening hours and arrange for temporary and holiday closures. Because we all need a break now and then.